This is a final video to fix Bluetooth driver not working or refusing to connect in Windows 11. And if you're facing this exact problem where your Bluetooth suddenly stops working or refuses to pair, then stay with this because you are not alone. This issue usually happens because of system updates, corrupted drivers, hidden settings conflicts, or background system errors that block normal Bluetooth communication. Most solutions you see online or on social media are confusing, too long, or hard to follow, and many of them do not fully solve the issue. But in this video from Rexist, I will show you 4 proven methods that can fix this problem, and at least one of them will work even if your issue is very serious. Just pause the video and carefully try each method one by one, or take screenshots so you can follow along without missing anything important. But do not worry about understanding the technical parts. These methods are designed to guide your system back to normal Bluetooth function without confusion. Stay calm and let the process complete step by step on your screen, and by the end your Bluetooth connection should start working again smoothly. Now follow the method step by step, showing on the screen.